Land Cruiser 2018 upgrading upholstery and install Android Entertainment rear screen. Floor mate. Cleaning inside. Time to install floor mates. Front to rear full complete. Installed ambient lights front and back. Let me show you in details. Upgrade upholstery and design diamond. Change upholstery. Install floor mate. Android Entertainment screen and ambient lights. Ambient lights on front door. Ambient lights front side. Ambient lights under rear seat. Install Android Entertainment rear screen, full top control and full Android version. Install projector Land Cruiser. Also upgrade upholstery backside for complete. Subscribe midnightclub.sa and follow.